Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll be comparing two popular espresso machines, the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine and the Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine. We'll dive into the features, performance, and overall value of these products to help you decide which one is right for you. But before we begin, don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine offers both grind and brew options in the same machine, allowing you to make a single or double shot espresso with the portafilter or bottomless portafilter. It also has adjustable temperature settings and is easy to clean. On the other hand, the Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine can grind espresso beans, brew 1 to 2 shots of espresso, steam milk, and dispense hot water for an Americano in under 60 seconds. However, it doesn't offer the option to adjust temperature. Winner, tie. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine comes with a complete barista kit, which includes everything you need to create a barista experience at home or in the office. All you need to do is add beans and grind away, and you can brew a classic espresso, cappuccino, Americano, and more. The Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine also comes with a 30-piece set, including a detachable water tank, stainless steel frothing pitcher, tamper, glasses, shakers, grounds knockbox, and more. Winner, tie. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine has a conical burr grinder with a range of 0 to 30 grind settings, allowing you to create uniform ground coffee batches. The integrated steamer also has a built-in steam valve for frothing milk. The Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine also has a conical burr grinder with 15 grind settings and a built-in steamer wand for steaming and foaming milk. However, the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine provides more flexibility with temperature settings. Winner, Mueller Premium Espresso Machine. The Mueller Premium Espresso Machine measures 16.5 x 13 by 10 inches and is made in China. The Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine measures 12.4 by 12.6 by 13.66 inches, making it more compact and countertop-friendly. The Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine also comes with a 1-year manufacturer warranty, while the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine does not specify a warranty. Winner, Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine. So there you have it, our comparison of the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine and the Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine. Overall, both machines have their strengths and weaknesses, and the right one for you will depend on your needs and preferences. If you're looking for more flexibility with temperature and grinder settings, the Mueller Premium Espresso Machine may be the better choice. If you prioritize a compact size and warranty, the Barista Pro Series Espresso Machine may be the one for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like this video, comment with your thoughts, and subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and comparisons.